Hey, ready to read a book with me? This has to do with making choices, which was today's Monday, and on Wednesday when we do our draw story, the little blue truck is about making choices. Let's see what kind of choices a truck has to make. Ready? Ready? I'm going to turn my screen. The horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye. Can you wink? Can you go and wink? When little blue truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, pig said oink oink, and beep said Blue. Cluck said the chicken and her chick said peep, ma said the goat and the chuck said beep. Neigh, said the horse, quack, said the duck, beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Yikes. Vroom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle, he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. Hey guys, that rhymes, truck and stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump truck. He sounded scared, but nobody heard, and nobody cared. So what's happening with choices right now? The truck chose to drive right by and not say hi. And then the animals chose to not help him, right? Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little blue truck pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. So when the dump truck chose to zoom by, and little Blue then saw him get stuck, what did the little blue truck choose to do? He chose to help him, right? Help, 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 cried little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. And now what are the animals choosing to do? They're choosing to come help Blue. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at that toad's muscles. Woo, they're popping. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the truck was free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on helping hands from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants to ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. And a beep, beep, beep. Good job, guys. I want you to spend all day making good choices. See you later. Bye.